Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear learners, and Assalamu alaikum. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity, in which you just have to add articles, and you are well aware that what are the articles? Yes, a, and the. And this is the demand of the SLO, which wants you to identify and recognize the rules for the use of a, and the. So remember, articles are placed before a singular noun. All right, not before a plural noun. So this is the first rule you have to remember, only before singular nouns. Got it? So let's look at the other slide, which says we use a before consonant. All right, now let's look at the example. Yes, this is a cat. Yes, singular, and it is starting with the letter C, which is a consonant. So what should I place before it? A or an? Yes, you are right. A cat. Before C is a consonant. Now look at one more example. Dog. Dog. D is a consonant once again. So what should I write? Yes, a dog. Now let's look at the other slide, which says always put an before vowel sound. You have to hear the sound of the vowel, then you have to put the an, because sometimes there is not vowel in the start of the word, but still you hear the sound, so you have to put an. Now let's look at the example. Umbrella. U is a vowel, so what should I write? An. Absolutely right. Now let's look at another example, which is igloo. Igloo. I is a vowel. So what should I write? An. Very good. Remember I told you the rule? Don't go for the first letter, go for the sound. So in this case, we say R. We do not give the sound of H. Since we are hearing the sound of a vowel, that's why we are using an. So, an R. Even though this is starting with the H, but the H is not giving the sound, it is silent over here. So, let's look at the article the. We always use the with the specific or unique things. The things which are very special, we use the before them. Let's look at the example. Sun. Sun is very special. It is unique. It is the only one in the solar system. So what should I place? A, an, or the? Yes, the. Always write the before the sun. Moon, we have only one moon with our planet Earth. So what should I write? Very nice, the moon. So to check your understanding of today's focus, we have designed these two activities. This is the one activity which you are going to find in your book, and this is there in your practice book. Your teacher is going to help you out with that, and to do your homework, you have to go to your practice book and do it with the help of your parent. I hope you have enjoyed and learned today's BLIFT. See you again in the next BLIFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.